Hey loves, it's me, Ashane Shabree, and in this video, I will be showing you guys a nail tutorial that is super easy. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to start off, I have my nails, and I will link everything down in the description below on what I'm using in this video and also where you can buy it from. So I'm using the nail filer, and I'm just going in and filing this nail down because you want to make sure that it is not super slippery, meaning that we want it to be porous. That way that the nail polish will actually have something to kind of seep into and be able to stay on the nail a lot longer. Okay, so after we're done filing the nail, we're gonna go in with a little bit of alcohol. And it really doesn't matter what percentage of alcohol you get. I just like to put it on a paper towel and just wipe off the little residue from the nail just to make it a lot cleaner. And now we are ready to go in with some nail polish. And I also built these little stands, and you can buy this little putty at Walmart. And you can also buy the wall hooks at Walmart as well. And so I just placed my little nail on there. And eventually I want to buy like a little nail stand, but I'm not quite sure where to get that from just yet. This is also nail polish that I bought from Walmart, and it's pretty cheap. So just remember that I'm linking everything down in the description below. So now I'm just going in with the nail polish, and I'm just gonna paint all of the nails. And I'm going in with the purple on both of my ring fingers, and for all of my other fingers besides my index fingers, I'm going with the light pink. We're gonna do something a little special for the index fingers, but we will get to that a little bit later. So I'm just going in with the light pink now, and I'm painting one of my nails. And I like to coat this about 3 times for the light pink and about 2 times for the purple. Okay, so now that we are done with our various layers of nail polish, we are going in with the Valentino top coat. I'm just going over the nail, and this is what I like to put on the nail to kind of give it that shine and glossy look. After that, I go ahead and put it in my cure and let it sit for about 3 minutes or so. And I'm going in with my last layer for my light pink. So now I'm going in with some glitter that I got from a little nail set at Walmart, but you can also order this glitter on Amazon. And I'm going to put this on the inside of the nail bed. So I'm just getting some finished resin, and I'm just putting that on the inside. And then I'm gonna take the glitter and just sprinkle it all in there and pretty much get it everywhere. And then I'm gonna dump it out and go back in with the Valentino top coat so we can go ahead and put it in the cure and get the inside of that nail hard so it will be able to get put on our finger. So when your nail is dry, you should be able to slide your fingers across and not get anything to move or mess up. Now I'm going back in with the top coat on the top side of the nail, and we're gonna put it back in the cure for about 3 minutes. So now I'm going in with a cuticle bit to push my cuticles back, and I'm going to do this on both of my hands. Now I'm going in with my cuticle oil, and I got this from Sally's, and I'm just gonna put this on my cuticles, let it sit for about 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna wash my hands. Alright guys, so this is how my nails turned out. I hope you guys love this tutorial. And I find this a lot easier to do than using acrylic, a lot cheaper, and a lot less messier, if I'm being honest. Again, this is Ashane Shabree. Please like, comment, subscribe, and check out my other videos. As always, I will see you guys next time. Enjoy the rest of your day. As always, bye loves.